Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir down 36 cents, down 3.87%, closed at 894. Was market by 2 cents. So we are still in this upward channel. So let's focus on what's working. Still part of this upward channel. We lost $9. Okay. So I think we are going to be zigzagging around $9. So we should not care too much about $9 anymore. We made a lower high and a higher low. So basically a sideways day. So nothing to be ashamed of. Not like this though. Stochastic is zigzagging a little bit around 60 also. MACD is still bullish here. Our RSI is zigzagging a little bit with 50, and DMI is slowly but surely getting there. So it's entirely possible that in order to get a really good move, we are going to zigzag here until we break this here, because we are still in a downward channel, and that's a downward channel, that's for sure. And we bounce, so we are bouncing here. We should be going up to this downward resistance right here. That's $9 to maybe 10.50 or so. So that's not a lot of money, but if you like the stock, why not? So first hour of the day here, looking at the 1 hour chart, first hour of the day, we have a drop down. So yeah, like Tesla a little bit. So a drop down, but then we maintain ourselves quite well. And on the 1 hour chart, the stochastic is very close to hour 60. So still a decent day, still an okay day. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my Trading View affiliate link or my other affiliate links. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.